Good afternoon to all of you. I am Momina and today I am going to show and tell that what is accounting terms. So my topic is basic accounting terms. First of all, I want to explain that what is assets. Assets are the properties that are owned by an entity or an enterprise. These are of four types: current, non-current, tangible and intangible. Current assets are held for sale or conversion of cash, and non-current assets are those assets which are not held for sale and owned by the owner. Tangible assets have physical existence and intangible assets doesn't have any physical existence. Now we come on liabilities. Liabilities are claim of amount against the entity or an enterprise. These are of four types: current, non-current, internal and external. In current liabilities, we have to pay the amount within a financial year, and in non-current liabilities, we have to pay the amount after a financial year. Internal liabilities are toward the owners and external liabilities are toward the outsiders. Capital is claim of owner against the business. These are of two types: initial and additional. Initial capital. It is the first investment of amount in the business, and after first investment, all the investment of amount in the business is additional capital. Receipts. These are also of two types: capital receipts and revenue receipts. Capital receipts. These are the receipts amount received from sources that are not of revenue nature, and in revenue receipts we have to collect the amount received from purchase of sales of goods. Expense. Amount spent or incurred to earn revenue is expense. These are of two types: prepaid and outstanding. In prepaid expense, we have to pay the amount in advance and receive the service after it, and in outstanding expense, we have to incur the service but amount is not paid. Expenditure. These are categorized into three types: capital, revenue and debt revenue. Amount spent on purchasing of assets is a capital expenditure, and amount spent on purchasing of goods is revenue expenditure, and deferred revenue expenditure is expense revenue of written off after a financial year. Now we come on discount. That is a reduction in price on a good or in amount. These are of three types: cash, trade and rebate. In cash discount, if we brought anything in only cash, we will get this discount, and if we brought anything in cash or in credit, we will get trade discount. Rebate is a specially given discount for the poor quality or excess supply of a product. Trade receivable. Trade receivable is amount receivable against sale of goods or services. These are of two types: debtor and bills receivable. Debtor, from whom amount is receivable against sales of goods or services, is categorized into debtor, and bills receivable are accepted bills of exchange from a debtor. Trade payable. Amount payable against sales purchase of goods or services is trade payable. These are of two types: creditor and bills payable. Creditor, to whom amount is payable against purchase of goods or services, is creditor, and bills payable, accepted bills of exchange, from a creditor is bills payable. Solvent and insolvent. Solvent. An entity who is able to pay its debts is solvent, and an entity who is not able to pay its debts is insolvent. And return of goods are of two types: purchase return and sales return. Return of goods purchased is purchase return, and return of goods sold is sales return. COGS, it means cost of goods sold. Cost attributable to goods sold or service rendered or both is COGS. And depreciation, decrease in value of an asset due to its use of obsolescence is depreciation. And revenue from operation, it is also known as sale. Amount received or receivable against sales of goods or services or both. Stock, goods that are unused and unsold, manufacturing of the in the business with the purpose of sale. Is stock.